Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn off Snapchat shutter sound on your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So when you open your Snapchat app and when you try to find the specific option for shutter sound, you won't see anything, okay? Because there's no specific option for the shutter sound on Snapchat. So what you can do if you want to turn off the shutter sound on Snapchat is to enable the silent mode of your phone. Okay, so just go ahead and enable the silent mode of your phone like that. And now when you try to take a picture, you don't need to worry about the shutter sound. Okay, so that's so easy, right? So that's it. That is how you turn off your shutter sound on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.